don't know why
Sir, can you see our screen?
it's coming up. Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. Okay. Let's go to 335. Go to paint.
Just give me a minute. I want to see if this thing can't connect. I'll just continue without it.
This can also press. Okay. This thing is working.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. So I'll need to share my own screen. I think you'll need to.
Sir. Sir.
Yeah,
Sir, the screen, we have already shared this.
so
Yeah,
the thing
sir, we shared the screen.
if I do this, whatever we do in class, I may not be able to save it as a file. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
You said this method, having to annotate on your screen. I don't know how to look. I'll not be able to save the class and share it with you later if I need to.
Okay, we are going to stop sharing.
Okay. Maybe some other time when people can share your own file, I'll allow you share. Okay, hold on a bit. I am coming. I think again with you. That, um, that. Okay. All right. So I'm sharing my screen now. So you actually did the homework. I'm interested though. I would like to see what people actually did. Because those questions were wonderful. So let me see. Even myself that said the questions, I can testify to the fact that I could. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me read the first question. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
How are we going to do it? You are going to tell me whether it's direct proportion that you understood it as or inverse proportion. Okay? Do you
Yes,
understand? All
yes,
right.
sir.
In fact, maybe we'll not even do it generally. I'll ask you specifically. So, favor,
Sir?
this one is your own. All right. Number one, last year it took 5 days for farm work to be completed by a group of 10 boys. This year, the owner of the farm wants the same work to be completed in a shorter time. He has only 2 days to get the same work completed. How many boys would he need to hire this year? What kind of problem is this? Is it direct proportion or indirect proportion? Favor.
Indirect.
Indirect. So can you explain to me why you say it's indirect? You know, another name for indirect is inverse. Can you tell me why it is indirect or inverse?
Because he wants to get his work in a shorter time. Last year he took 10 men to finish the farm work in 5 days. So he wanted to get the work fast to finish in a short period. So how many men did he use? So
Yeah.
to be how many
Yeah, go ahead now. Go ahead. You are saying something. Finish up. Finish up what you're explaining. So he wants to complete it in 2 days. Yes. Will he need more men or less men?
more?
More. Okay, so now I ask the question. You have correctly identified it as inverse.
So
But
I want to
I want
ask
to
you. So I want to
now,
ask you.
let me finish with favor. Wait, hold on, let me finish with favor. Now, favor. Now, if you agree that more men will be able to finish short in a shorter time, what are the two things that tell you that this thing is actually inverse? What are the two things we are going to use to know that this thing is actually inverse? Let me
Because
give you a clue. When we talk about proportion, there are usually two quantities in each question. One of them is increasing, one of them could be increasing, while the other one is increasing. So when two of them are increasing or two of them are reducing, then we call that direct proportion, isn't it? Either two of them are increasing or two of them are reducing. It's what? Direct proportion. But we now said that in inverse proportion, the opposite is the case. When one is increasing, the other one is reducing. Now, in this question, we have agreed that it's not doubting that which one is increasing and the other one reducing.
the work is reducing, the men are increasing.
No, try again, try again. You're almost there. You're almost there. Which one is reducing and which one is increasing? Look at it carefully. The work does not change. Did you notice that? They said the
Yeah.
same shorter
Okay.
time, same work, so the work does not change. Yes.
The men are reducing.
Mm?
No,
Are the men reducing?
no.
So the men are increasing. Which one is reducing now? Look at the question where you see there.
The
Do you want
days. The days.
days? That's it. It's the number of days. That's it. Correct. Okay. So let's now see how you solve this. This way I'll now know whether you forgot it correctly.
So I have a question.
Yes, what's the question? Please.
So when Favor, you asked Favor, when was it up? If she, is he, would they need big, more men or less men? But Favor's answer, Favor got 4. And I
Hold
got.
Hold
I'm
on.
not
Don't
finished
don't
working
worry.
the question.
Don't worry. We'll find out who got it and who did not get it. No, don't worry about that. That's why I
Okay.
said, that's why I know that it's not by just answering me whether it is inverse or not that will tell whether you got it or not. Hmm? Don't worry, I know. So 5 days,
10 men.
10 men.
10 men. So it will be question mark. Hey? Yes, question mark. We don't know. 2 days. 2 days to question mark. 2 days to question mark men.
Okay. It's the question mark, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Men.
To question mark. All right. So who can tell me what's the first thing we do?
Who do 5 over 2 equals to 10 over m. So we'll do cross multiply. Sir,
No, that's not. I don't agree with you.
sir,
That's not the
it's
first
10
thing we
in
do.
5
Who can tell me
over m. 5 over m. 5 over m. Wait, sir, can we annotate it? No.
No, don't annotate. Don't annotate.
5
Just
over
answer my question. What is
5 over m.
doing all the 5 over? Before you start doing all the 5 over, what is the first thing you do? This is a case of inverse proportion. What is the first thing you do?
10 over. No,
We even
10
did as class. I've very disturbed. Forgot.
over 2.
Hmm. Oh boy. Girls. People are disappointing you. Eh?
Sir.
So that means people are
Remember,
telling me that two of you failed it.
no, sir,
Eh?
this man, sir, you
People
know,
are telling me
sir, you
that.
mix some things up in this, your arrow
Yes.
point. Men supposed to be
I
on the
didn't
left
mix
side,
anything.
the days. Yes, that's what is in our
I
book when we did it last.
see.
In
Just focus.
that farmer that wanted
Fair.
you to
Are you listening?
wait.
Faith, are you listening?
Yes,
Faith,
sir.
are you listening? It doesn't matter which one
Yes,
is
sir.
on which.
Collect like
Sometimes
10.
it's not you. Which license are you collecting when you have not sorted out things you are supposed to sort out? Calm down. Don't worry, I'll do it. Just watch. But don't allow this thing to happen next time. Because this is a very simple thing. It is inverse proportion. So we must draw x on the data from the question. Now, have you seen what I wrote now? Have you seen what I wrote down there? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Can you now tell me what I should do next?
Yes, sir.
What should I do? Where should I draw the
We
X? Tell me.
should
Yes, I
we
forgot
should
to know.
draw our X from the dates from the question. We draw the X on the data from the question.
Is this not the data from the question? The things that we just put here.
Yes.
So let us just put an X here as what we don't know. So let's go. 5 over 2 equals now. Take note. Because 5, can you see that 5 is pointing downwards at X?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to put X on the same level with 5 over 10. Because 2 is pointing upwards at, so it will be on the same level with 2. Now, did you see what I just did?
Yes, sir.
If you miss this step, I promise you, there's no way me and you will get the same answer. It's not possible if you miss this step. So that's why I was telling you that before you cross multiply, before you do anything, you must get this step right. Okay? So please, when you're writing in your book, I'm begging you, write this thing that I just wrote down. Write it exactly like this. Draw everything that I did exactly like this, please. All right, now we can now do our cross multiply. So we are doing another X. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go. So 5 we take on 10, isn't it? 5 times 10, right? Equals
Yes,
what?
sir.
Go ahead now, finish
50.
it up.
5
No,
times
5 times 10
10.
equals 2 times X, isn't it?
2 times X.
Thank you.
That's
What are we now going to do to both sides?
that's what I also wrote.
All right, now, what are we going to do to both sides?
So we are going to divide both sides by divide both sides by 2.
Thank you very much. Divide both sides by 2. And that's going to give us 2 cancels itself, and 2 goes into 10. 2 goes in itself 1 time. 2 goes into 10. How many times?
2
5 times. So we're now left
5.
with what?
So 5
which is
times
what?
5. 5
Which
times
is,
5.
so can you see that it would need 25 men? Eh? Can we see that? Yes, I'm listening. Hello, Faith and Favor, can you hear me?
Surface got
Faith got it. Okay. So Faith, did you do the X before you start doing your work? Before you start doing that?
yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. All right.
Let me
Okay.
view. So can I still write it again?
If you want, I don't mind. If you want, it's okay. Don't forget that there's an equals to sign here between the 5/2 and x/10. Before I drew that cross there, to cross multiply.
Mm. Surface is done. I was waiting for favor.
Okay, let's wait for her. So now, Favor, do you know something? Let me tell you something. When you want to know this kind of question, it's very very easy to know whether you are wrong or right. Just look at your answer. Now, if what Faith said, about you getting 4 as your answer was anything to go by, that means that you would have known from the start that something is wrong with my answer. This thing has to be more men, not fewer men. Okay? So next time when you're doing your work, make sure that you always check this thing that I said that's inverse proportion. Does it actually correspond with what I'm expecting? If it doesn't, go and check your work. That means something is wrong somewhere. Okay, so can we proceed now? So are you done? Favor, sorry.
Yes, I was waiting for
Sorry, Favor, are you done?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let's move on.
Yeah. So in number 2, I can remember the question about 3 tanks can fill of 12. So I
Okay,
thought
yes.
to myself.
Three
So I
water,
thought to
three
myself.
water, three water trucks can fill up 12 GP tanks. Okay.
I thought to myself that how one can fill how many trucks. So I said, it's okay. I said, I did like this. 3 I
Uh-huh.
did 3/12 equals to 3/3 times equals
Let
to
me leave
12/6. 3. After then, I just try. I cancel the 3, so it's 1. 3 in 12 is 4. So 4 can fill up 1. So if I do 8, 2 can fill up 8.
Okay. So
8
you do
can
not
fill.
do it as a proportion question.
I don't. Her name was proportion. I don't know what to do.
Okay, all right, no problem. Okay, so I'm not saying that you are wrong. I don't know what your answer was, but we'll get to the answer. We'll know whether you are right or not. Now,
My answer
the
was
important thing,
128.
okay, no problem. We'll find out if you are right or not. Now, um, um, I'm doing it as a proportion question. Okay. Favor, how did you do your own?
I did my own 3 water tanks to 12 GP tanks. So question marks to 32 GP tanks. I did cross multiply, so do 12 in 96. So I
34
got
and
my answer
32.
is 8 water trucks. 8 water trucks. So Chineke. People say 8
Why,
water trucks can fill up
why
32.
you, why you, why you exclaiming at her answer? Like giving me your own answer. Did the favor exclaim at your own? Eh? Is it
No,
fair to be exclaiming at her own?
no.
It's not fair now. So let's allow each other, because anybody can make mistakes. Even me like this, I can make mistakes. I never doubt. I'm always sincere with people. I can make mistakes too. So anybody can make mistakes. So when she's reading her own answer, don't be exclaiming. She could be correct.
So
You
I
never
can make
can.
mistakes.
Eh?
So
Yes,
you
I've
can
made
make
mistakes.
mistakes.
Yes. I'm not a human being. Nobody is perfect. You don't know that. As long as you're not God, there's very much room. Yes, they usually tell us there's room for improvement. Have you heard that thing before?
That's no,
Have you ever heard your mom saying that kind of thing before? There's
no,
plenty of room for improvement. Have you heard your mom saying that?
no.
But even if you've not heard your mom saying, you've heard somebody in school or at church saying it, even unconsciously you may have heard it. There's room for improvement.
Nobody.
But even as
This is
there's
our
much,
first time hearing it.
okay, even if there's much room for improvement, there's also room for error, because that's the truth. We are human beings. We can fail. Okay. So the important thing is that we look for how to help each other, isn't it? Hmm? Let's not um look for ways to beat each other down. Okay. So now I am doing this question as a proportion question. All right. I'm not saying that there's not another way to do it. I'm just telling you that I'm doing it as a what proportion question, so that you will have plenty of exercise or practice for proportion. Now, Faith, talk to me. What kind of proportion is it? Is it direct or inverse proportion? That's your question, Faith.
Mm.
Is it direct or inverse proportion?
Inverse.
Yes. Cannot be correct. I want to see that you're confident. Is
Sir?
it inverse of direct proportion? Is it inverse proportion or direct
Direct.
proportion?
Direct proportion.
How is it direct proportion? What are the two quantities? And tell me what is happening to them. Talk.
You want to know how many tank, how many water truck?
No, you don't understand me. Explain it the way I taught Favor to explain it that time.
32 tanks.
Can you explain it the way I asked Favor to explain it? Explain it like that. You are listening to me when I told Favor. So I want you to explain it the way I explained to Favor. Oh, yeah, while waiting for you.
So how we will do it is that if
I didn't ask you how you will do. I said, can you tell us why you said it is direct proportion? Explain it the way I told Favor to answer. Tell us why you think it is direct proportion. And if you're not correct, it's okay. I'll correct you. There's no problem. Just talk.
direct, and we are looking for what can give us something that can fill up 32 tanks.
Okay. Okay. So this was what I explained. Now, this is why I usually tell you to listen carefully, even if I'm explaining to someone else. What I expected you to say is this. This is a question on direct proportion because it is telling us of two quantities that are either increasing together or decreasing together. That was what I said that time about direct proportion, isn't it? Both of them are increasing or both of them are reducing. Then I now said that if it was a case of inverse proportion, one will be increasing and the other one will be reducing. Am I right?
Yes.
So please, next time, that's what I expected you to say. So yes, you are correct. It's a case of direct proportion because the number of water trucks needed to fill 32 tanks is obviously going to be more than the number of water trucks needed to fill up 12 tanks. That means both of them are what? Increasing. So that means nobody is going to put an X here. Okay, please don't ever make that mistake. Once you are sure that it is direct proportion, don't put an X. So let me write it there. Please write it in your notes. Not now. Oh. Hold on. I just said when you are writing, write it in your notes. Okay. It is a case of direct proportion. So we do not put an X on question data. Okay, there should be an apostrophe here. Let me put it so that people don't wonder why did he not put an apostrophe S there. Okay, there you go. I think I said on the question. Let me put this. C-A-C. Correct. Okay, so who can tell me what I should do next now? We already know there's no need for an X. Who can tell me what to do next? Anybody?
Yes.
Favor, do you want to try?
So
Go ahead. Go ahead.
we will cross multiply. That's what I wanted to say. So it will be like
Before you cross, I see 3 over
Sir?
what? You write
3
it
over
out first.
C.
Thank you.
3
Equals what?
equals 32 over 12.
Why 32 over
Equals
12?
to 12 over
Remember, there's no
32.
X. Thank you very much. Equals to 12 over 32. Thank you. 12 over 32. So now we can now cross multiply, okay? So we'll now do our cross multiplication. Are you ready? 3 times 32 over what? 8 times 32 equals what? So
2 over 2. Eh? Wait. Equals to 12 plus T.
is it plus or times?
I mean times T.
All right. What are you going to do to both sides?
Divide by both sides by 12.
By what?
1 dot.
12.
Divide both sides
by
by 12, not divide both sides.
Divide both sides by 12. So we have this. Now you have to be careful with this one. You have to be very, very careful. So if I was faced with this kind of thing, this is what I would do first. I would say 3 in itself, 1, 3 in 12, 4. Okay. 4 in itself, 1. 4 in 32 is what?
8.
Thank you. So that's our final answer. Therefore, C is equal to what?
8. I got it.
So, but who got it correct? Who got it
I
correct?
like to go.
So, okay, so let's put it at the question first. 8 water crops. Okay, so go ahead and write your book. Well done, Favor. That was good. You got it. So, Kate, you need to check your working, okay? I think you over multiplied something, but you are good, though. I think there was something that you did not too sure what it was, but just check your work. You'll see where you missed it.
Yes, over multiplied it. I multiplied it with 4 again.
Okay, yes, exactly.
Hi. Divided by 4. I've gotten 8. If I divided 4 by 32, tell me you have got to go back. There we go. I do like it. Yep. Now I got it. No, and easy. 3 divided by 2. Yeah, you did say what would have gotten it. Chippy.
Sorry. Give me a minute. Let me go back. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Direct proportion. Good. It was Maurice that gave us putting on that says nothing. I also want to do
Okay, are we done now?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, I'll wait a bit.
Are you done?
Faith, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. It looks like both of you are done now, right? Okay. Okay. So let's look at the next one. Then we'll go on break. Let's do the next one. Then we'll go on break. All right. So favor, this one is your own question again. Two children can finish. Okay. So I think I made a mistake there. Two children can finish a carton of Indomie in 2 weeks. Take note. I don't know if those two children are Faith and Favor. Maybe. Okay. But if people can finish a carton of Indomie in 2 weeks, people must be eating a lot more. So two children can finish a carton of Indomie in 2 weeks. How long will it take 6 children eating at the same rate to finish the same carton of Indomie?
6 days.
All right. So what kind of proportion is it? Is it direct or inverse proportion?
In them direct.
Faith says that is direct. Favor, what do you say?
I see.
Means inverse.
Inverse now. Look at the question. Faith. Two children can finish a carton of Indomie in 2 weeks. Obviously, 6 children, they will not need up to 2 weeks to finish it. So we try it.
Yes, sir. Sir,
So we tell your mother to buy Indomie and tell only 2 of you to see if we can, how long it will take 2 of you to finish it. Then we'll now add pressure next time and find out how long it will take you, Faith, Favor, and Treasure to finish it. And tell me how long, which one is expected. It's definitely going to be lesser. Okay? So do you notice something? The number of children is increasing. The number of days it will take to finish the same pattern of Indomie will definitely reduce. Okay? Always remember this. This is a very see, I can't put this thing. That part of mathematics that looks harder. If you look at it very well, there's something that is very simple about it. If you can just get that simple part, the rest of it is easy. 2 children finish in 2 weeks. 6 children, it cannot reach 2 weeks. I bet you it will not. So let us.
It will never reach 2 weeks. It will never reach. It will never reach 7 times.
Somebody might say, depending on how the children are, some will finish it in less than a day. So, but let's leave whether the children are fat or not. So 2 children can finish it in 2 weeks. So let's solve it. All right. So let's go. 2 children, 2 weeks. That's number 3. Okay, so you know what I'll do? This number 3. Okay, no, let's leave it like that. 2 children,
It's all right.
2 weeks, right? Are we together?
Yes, sir.
So this is our data from the question. And we have rightly said that it is what? Inverse proportion. 2 children finish it in 2 weeks. All right. So let's see. 6 children will finish it in, what should we use as our letter there? What should we use as our letter there? Should we just,
No. C.
okay, we should use C. Do we all agree on that?
Yes.
No.
No.
You don't agree.
I think we should use
It's like-
D. No, F. D, F,
F.
D, F.
People should agree on one now. F. Do we use? Okay. All right. So D, number of weeks. Okay. Now, I want people to look at
D.
it
No, it's
carefully.
D. Size
What do we,
D.
what do we do next? Yes, I'm listening.
So we're going to do 2 over 6 equals
No,
2 over 6.
no.
We do 2 over
You're still not answering my question.
D.
What do we do next?
no.
You people have forgotten. You people have forgotten.
We do
Forgotten.
cross multiply. No, we do that cross of the data. Cross of the data.
Thank you. That's what you do. Don't forget yourself. Oh. Okay, let me be putting box around
Okay,
it. Since you don't think it's important, let me put a box to show you how important it is. It's very, very important. Yes, please. We must do what? We must put an X, okay? Please.
yes, sir.
All right, let's move. Now that we know we put an X, go ahead. What next? 2 over 6 equals what?
2 over 6 equals to D over 2.
D over what? 2. Good. All right, what next? We now actually cross multiply. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. And then what do we have? 2 times 2 equals what?
So it will be equal to 2 equals to 6D.
Thank you very much. What are we now going to do to both sides?
I'm going to divide both sides by 6.
Thank you very much. So let's see what happens here. So 6 will cancel itself.
1.
What this side? Yes, 1. Thank you. I forgot to write my 1. It will go on itself 1 time. Now, what do we do here? We'll do
We do 2
here.
in 6 in itself. 2 in 6, 3.
Thank you. Now, I know you are wondering, so how do we represent this answer? I know you are wondering.
Yes.
D is equal to what? 2 over 3. Who can tell me what unit is it? 2 over 3 what?
3
Yes.
days. Weeks.
Why are you not sure of yourself? You've been sure of yourself all this. How come you are
So
not
you
sure of
said it
yourself?
cannot be completed in weeks.
Now calm down now. Calm down. I'm not done. Now, in 1 week, how many days are there?
7.
Thank you. So we're going to say 2 over 3. Don't worry now. Just calm down. You will see what I'm going to do. 2 over 3 times 7 what? 7 what?
over 1.
No.
7
Yes, my 7 days, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it 4
Yes,
weeks
sir.
again? No. Just see what is going to happen now. Now, I know that 3 cannot go into 7. Neither can 2 go into 3. We're not contesting that. But let us see what we can do to make this thing easy. So 2 times 7 is 14, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
14 divided by 3 is what? You can tell me. 14 divided by 3 is what?
4 remainder 2.
Thank you very much. 4 remainder 2 over what?
Over
2 over
3.
Now, who can help me convert 2 over 3 to decimal? Oh yeah, quickly. Okay, no, let's not even convert it to decimal. Let's not, don't convert it to decimal, sorry. Let's do another way. Who can guess what I want to do? If anybody can guess this thing right there, oh my God, you will be my mathematician for the year. If you can guess what I'm about to do before I do it, oh yeah, quickly. This is the only time I'm permitting you to guess. Guess what I'm about to do. Guess what I'm about to do.
I.
Uh-huh.
You're going to do 2 in 4.
No.
Oh.
Don't worry, let me just help you because of time.
4.
I told people in the last class that whenever you say a whole number and a fraction, it's as good as that whole number.
Plus 2 over 3.
Now, how many hours are there in one day?
24.
Thank you very much. So that means that 4 whole number 2 over 3 is the same thing as 4 days. Watch you.
4 days.
4 days.
24 over.
4 complete days. Watch you. Plus what? 2 over 3 times
2
what?
over 3
Times what?
24.
Thank you very much. 2 over 3 times 24 what?
No, so it's fair that was saying 24 over 1.
24 over 1, but that's in hours, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This is where this is for real mathematicians. This is not for babies though. This is for real what? Mathematicians.
Mathematician.
So 3 in
3 in
itself.
itself, 3 in 24. That is 8.
Yes.
8 times 2.
Oh, 8 times 2 is what?
16. It's me that got it.
4 days. And what?
16 hours.
I see how easy it is.
So did we get it or we try?
Well, okay. So at a point, I was expecting you to figure out what I wanted to do, with that 2 over 3, but it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. 4 days, 16 hours. Now, did you notice that 4 days, 16 hours is not up to 2 weeks? Did you notice that?
Yes, sir.
So I think we're very, very sure our working is correct. So go ahead and write it. We take a break for 10 minutes and we come back here at 10:30 on the dot, okay?
10:30 on the dot. Okay, sir. So I have a question.
All right, go ahead and ask.
The question is that who is going to be your mathematician of this year?
I'm sorry. No, you did not get it now. You did not answer me correctly now. But don't worry, I'll give you another opportunity. Maybe
I'll get it now. It's me that got that 16.
And
it's me that said, sir, when you said you wanted to help us, I wrote 4. When you wanted to write your plus, no, 4 plus 2 over 3. That's what I said. People were keeping their mouth shut. I got the 16.
Now, even though you said the 4 plus 2 over 3, you did not tell me the 24 hours. That was where I was going to. That 24 hours is where I was going to.
When we
Initially
in the
I thought it-
You said that how many hours in a day? We said 24.
yes, I know you could say 24, but I was saying that you did not decode that I wanted to break down the days to hours for the fraction part. That was where I was expecting you to tell me, okay, we want to do the breakdown in terms of hours so that we don't have to do four, because 4 whole number 2/3 is the same thing as 4.66666666. Okay? But we cannot
Yes,
represent,
sir.
some places they can do it, but we don't want to do that. So this is how me I want to do my own. 4 days, 16 hours. All right, so don't use up your break time. Oh, yeah, I'm going to stretch
Okay.
myself.
Next time I will read. The fate is done. Bye bye. Thanks. Bye. The bed is done.
Okay, all right, great, no problem. See you by 10:30.
Yeah. Favor, I'm waiting for you. Don't worry, go. Go. Oh, the something. 16. Favor is done. Okay.
All right, favor, see you 10:30. Okay, we're back for part 2, right?
Yes.
Where is Madam Faith?
She's fetching water.
Okay. Let's wait for her a bit. Welcome back, Faith. Thank God, 10:30. You ate into our time by a few seconds. So you're going to pay a fine for that. Okay, so let's go ahead. We stopped at number 3, right?
Yes, sir. No,
So
3.
now. We're going to number 4. Okay, so let's take a look at number 4. What does number 4 say? Number 4 says a car can complete a journey. I hope you are listening. A car can complete a journey of 40 kilometers, 10 liters of fuel. Now, if I were you, as I'm reading this question, I'll be thinking, okay, is this a direct proportion question or an inverse proportion question? Okay, so please be asking yourself those questions as I'm reading it. A car can complete a journey of 40 kilometers. Are you listening at all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A car can complete a journey of 40 kilometers with 10 liters of fuel. The question now is, how far can it drive on 15 liters of fuel? Now, what kind of question is it? Is it direct or inverse? I'll give you a chance to choose. Who wants to give it a try?
Oh, it's me that will go for.
Favor, do you feel you can give us the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, go for it. What do you think?
But the answer is going to be A.
No, I didn't ask for the answer. Favor, calm down. This is what, see,
I said
do you know, do you know,
Sir, can
do you
I
know,
say it? Sir, can I say it? Sir, can I say it?
is it direct or inverse?
It's indirect.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, I'm sure.
Prove to me that it's indirect. Why do you say it's indirect? Because if you say that it's indirect, then one quantity is increasing and the other quantity is reducing. I want you to think about this thing carefully. When you are driving a car, imagine you drove a car from point A to point B. What is it that is making that? What is it that is making that car to move? Is it not the fuel in it?
Yes, sir.
If we reduce and the speed will increase.
Hold on, it's not speed. Forget about speed. It's not speed. This is distance covered. This is not about speed. Distance covered. Now, listen to my question. Listen to my question. If I put 10 liters of fuel in a car, and I can cover 40 kilometers with it, I now put 15 liters of fuel. Have I not increased the amount of fuel I put in it?
Yes, sir.
I want you to listen carefully. If I put 15 liters, will that car go further? Less less than the 10 kilometers, the 40 kilometers it could go before? Will it go
To go
further?
further than the first
Yes.
kilometers before.
Not telling me that it's indirect proportion. Okay, now let me ask a question. Is it difficult for you to tell if a question is direct or inverse? Is it difficult?
Yeah, is
No, be very sincere with me. Is it difficult or not?
the
Sometimes,
yeah,
sometimes
it's
it's difficult.
yeah.
Okay, now let me. I understand. I understand where you're coming from. But now, do you know what? That's the reason why I said if we should think carefully before you answer the question. Now, this question is talking about a car and fuel, or fuel, and let me pronounce it the right. Pronounce it fuel. Now, if I put fuel in a car, I don't know. Have you ever seen where they are pushing a car before? Have you seen where people are pushing a car? Have you ever seen that before? Good. What do you think usually happens? Usually, one of two things happen. Either the car develops a fault or the fuel finish. Do you agree with me? Hello, girls. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Can you see me? Okay, good, good, good. All right. The internet went up for a bit. I couldn't hear you again. Okay. So that means that if I put more fuel in the car will go further. Does that not, is that not a case of direct proportion? Oh man, they're out. Okay, your mic is mute. Unmute yourself. Let's continue. Sorry for the interruption. I think it was the internet or something. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, is our yes.
Yes, I thought as much. Okay, all right. So now I want people to think along with me. Can you see my screen? The internet acting up again. Can you see my screen? Hello, Faith and Favor, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. Now I want you to understand this thing. Direct proportion and inverse proportion, they are not hard though. All right, welcome back. Femi.
So I sit as over there.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so look at my diagram here. When the amount of fuel goes up, watch the amount of fuel goes up, the distance that the car can move will also do what? Will also go up, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Please, please take note of this. And I will not mind if you draw this thing in your book. I will not mind if you can draw it in your book. Not now when you're writing. covered by cap is will also increase. Now, when you have arrow, the arrow is pointing up, then this is a case of what? Yes, answer me. It is a case of what?
Case of there is proportion.
It's direct. Who is this inverse there?
No, is it few?
Mind yourself. If I catch you there, don't be saying, how would you say the inverse now? Even after you've seen arrows
I don't
pointing
say
up.
inverse. You said indirect. I said direct. We said
Uh-huh.
direct, not you.
It's not indirect, please. It's direct. Okay? Please take note. When the arrow, not for this question, no, when one is pointing up and the other one is pointing down, like this, the other one is pointing down, then this is a case of what?
Case of indirect proportion.
Thank you very much. It's a case of indirect proportion. To write it so that you will not say that I did not give you enough note. When please don't write it again. I'm just writing when you want to write. Not okay. And one quantity reduces while the other increases, then hold on, no, not done. We have a case of inverse or indirect what proportion. Okay. Now, let's go and solve this question. So this is for number 4. Okay, number 4 is direct. I just gave you this one as a note, extra note for you. Okay, this is not number 4's own. This one is number 4's own. Direct proportion. So let's continue. So the question said what? Let us analyze the data. A car complete a journey of 40 kilometers. So are we watching? Please, you are distracted. I will be announcing a question that you failed, and you're not even bothered.
Is it 40 kilometer to 10 liter? Then question mark to 15 liter.
Okay, so we're going to shorten liters to LCR. Okay, of course. Oh, don't worry, let's not shorten it. So I'm not wondering tomorrow, what did I write there? Please, it's liters. LITRES. Okay. So you now say question mark, right? What question mark are we doing? What letter are we using? What letter are we using? I think we can use F this time.
There's a K.
Since we've been using other letters, so let's use F. So F kilometers to how many liters? 15, right?
15 liters. Yes, sir.
Okay. So who can tell me what I should do next? Let me see if you understand this thing. So, it's a case of direct. What should I do next?
You should do this. If it's direct, you should do 40. 40 over F Equals to 10 over 15. Then you cross multiply. So it will be 40 times 15. Equals. Sorry. Sorry. It's 40. We do cross multiply to be F 40 times 15. So we'll do 10 times F. That will be 14 times 15 equals to 10F.
Yeah, thank you. That's what I wanted to hear. 40 times 10x. Okay. Talk to me. What next? Next, I'm waiting. What do we do next?
So you divide both sides by 10.
Thank you very much. We divide
So
by
our
5.
answer is 60. 60 answer, and my answer in number 4. I also got 60 kilometers. I just calculate it now. No. What do you get in number 4? 60. Me too. In the
kilometers.
machine. See my own seat. Is it not 60? Is it not 60? No, 60 for traveling with 15 meters.
Equals to what?
60. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, but this is we are expecting. We were expecting the number of kilometers to increase, right?
Yes, I got 4.
Whether you are right or not. I write it in your book quickly.
Bonus. Is it bonus? I know I don't feel myself.
Remember to write everything. No? Don't go and write one and can start with the arrows.
So I'm ready starting to number 4. Hey, wait.
Yes.
Sir, in this, where you in the arrows, you wrote fuel. You wrote distance covered by car.
What happened?
It doesn't sound like a good English. By a car. Should be wanted by a car. You said by car.
By a car. Is that what you want me to say?
Yeah, distance.
Okay, I'm adding it. Covered by a. I put my omission mark there. Are you happy now?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Case of direct. How about most? I want to try to use my left hand. I want to try using this on my left hand. So,
Please, you can add. I don't know if you want to add this, but I just add it. I don't know how you want to add it. But you understand what I'm doing, right?
Yes, sir. don't use belly pad. The rubbish and the cover head. Yes, right. Help me. Yes, I really got happy. What's it go? Oh, go up to down. And then I'll do it like this. Small it, very fun. Okay. Yeah. And just TKN. Gosh, stick. Let's see what I did.
Okay. Are we done?
No, yes, sir. I'm almost done.
Okay.
Sir.
Are you done?
We say that. Okay. Therefore, F equals to 6. Okay. 10L equals to 10 over 50 and get 14 over 10 and 10 equals to 6. Everyone is done.
Okay, nice one. Faith, are you almost?
Faith has just been looking at time. Say, when would we finish? Finish.
I hope that's not Faith. Faith, are we done?
Almost done, sir.
All right.
Yep, I'm done, sir.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. So let's go to the last one. It says Titi, a girl named Titi. Do you have any friend called Titi in your class?
Sir?
Do you have any friend called Titi in your class?
Friend are called what? Titi. No, sir.
No. Okay. All right. So anyway, it tells us that Titi can finish braiding her customer's hair in 5 hours. Okay. I want you to imagine. Well, I don't know how many hours it took to braid your own hair, but let's just imagine that Titi can finish braiding her customer's hair in how many hours? 5 hours. Now listen to the question carefully. How long will it take if she asks Francisca to help her finish the same hairstyle if they work at the same rate? Now let me ask you two of you a question, and please, I'm praying that you will not fail this question. If Titi invites Francisca to help her finish to do the same hairstyle, listen, no, listen. If Titi invites Francisca to help her finish that hairstyle, will it take longer time or lesser time?
Lesson.
So let me ask a question. Now, is it a case of direct proportion or a case of inverse proportion?
In a case of inverse.
Please think about it very well.
I mean
Titi,
direct.
are you sure? Titi, when she's alone, When Titi is alone, she can do it in 5 hours. When she invites a friend, that means they are now two. Will they do it in more hours or fewer hours?
Few hours.
Thank you very much. So is it a case of direct proportion or a case of indirect or inverse proportion?
I would say a case of a case of mm, mm, I
I'm surprised that it's taking both of you a long time to decode this thing.
I'm sure it's a indirect. It's
Okay.
direct.
Who is
It's
saying that
direct.
it's direct? Who is saying that it's direct?
Faith.
Okay, Faith said that it's direct. Faith, I want you to look at my screen very well. Titi alone, one person. One person. Let me write it so that I don't know, let me, maybe I don't know if it's that I'm not saying it carefully or something, or you're not really thinking about this thing the way I'm saying it. One person, that's Titi, she does it in how many hours? 5 hours.
So you call this
Now, she now called somebody to join her, Francisca, to join her in braiding another customer hair. The same hairstyle, oh, the same hairstyle. Two persons or two people. Let's just say two people. Even though if you say two persons, it's not bad. But let's just say two people. Two people. I now ask a question. Will they finish it in more hours or less hours? What did two of you say?
less hours.
So why are you now saying that it is a case of direct when one of them is increasing and the other one is reducing?
You see,
Hmm? Hmm? Why did you not say that it's a case of direct? Does this thing look like direct? This picture that I just drew here, does it look like direct?
no, sir.
Why are you not saying that it's direct? It's disturbing me. Oh. Are you trying to tell me it's only Favor that understands this thing very well? Because I'm wondering why this is the last question we're doing today, and you still failed it in terms of telling me whether it's direct or indirect. Yes.
Sir, it's very difficult to find which one is direct and
But,
which one is indirect.
Wait, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Some of you just agreed now that the number of hours will reduce. The number of people sitting, let me put it here, number of people that are braiding the hair is
We
increasing.
reduce.
Then the number of hours will reduce. Is that not what people just told me now? So why did you not still tell me boldly that it is direct proportion? This is clearly not direct. This is a case of inverse. It's inverse. Direct or inverse. I'm
Or
begging you.
indirect.
Please don't make this mistake again. If not, I will withdraw my mathematician title from you.
It's faith. It's not me. It's Favor. Yay. It's Favor.
The Favor got it correctly. Stop calling her. It's you. Faith.
So what if next everybody not get that?
I will withdraw it from Favor. But now it was you that did not get it. I'm threatening. Like this, I will withdraw it. But if you say this thing again, I will withdraw it. So what letter are we using for? What letter are we using? Because Favor got it correctly. Favor, choose the letter quickly. Favor. What letter?
I'll choose a letter. Oh, let's do let's do rock.
Do you know why I cannot use O? Because O will look like a zero, and I don't want that to mess up our work. So choose another letter.
V.
V. Thank you very much. In fact, that's what I was thinking about in my mind. It's as if you read my mind. So V. Okay. V-I. Wait, pay attention, no. I'm telling you, I'm thinking about that thing I said, though. I will withdraw the rest of the You'll just be looking at me. I will withdraw it. Okay. So it's a case of inverse proportion. What should I do next? What should I do next? Talk to me, Faith. Oh yeah, within yourself quickly.
Sir. No, we do cross the data.
Favor, wait. Let's give her a chance. Let's give her a chance. Oh, yeah, quickly, Faith, within yourself. What should we do next?
Cross the data. I said.
Oh, okay. Are you sure about that?
Yes, sir. Wait.
I'm a mathematician. Okay.
I've collected the bag. Hey, no, collect it. Yeah.
No, we're not done. No, I have Faith. What next?
So it will be 1B. I mean, 1/2 equals 1/2 equals V/5.
Thank you very much. Over 5. We're not done. No. What next?
I.
Yes.
Wait.
What next?
We're going to cross multiply.
Thank you very much. We're going to cross multiply. So what are we going to be left with? 1 times 5 equals what?
1 times 5 equals 5.
Equals
5. Equals
V,
sorry, 2V.
2V. Okay, so what do we do next to both sides?
We divide both sides by 2.
Thank you. We divide both sides by 2. So that means 2. 1 time. And then if I divide here by 2 now, this is where I'll now know who is the mathematician of the year. What should I do? What should I do next?
We should.
Therefore, V is equal to what?
V equals to 5/2. So we'll not change it.
5/2 what?
5/2.
5/2 what?
5/2 which hours? Yes, hours. Sorry, hours.
So should I leave it like this?
No.
Talk to me.
You change it equals to 1/2 1/2. Wait, hold on. No. It will be 1/2/2. So I know the answer already. The answer is 2 hours. Equals 2 hours. 2 hours. 30 minutes. Face, stop copying me. I calculated it. I know it before you. 2 hours 30 minutes. I should not calculate it.
Are you sure it is 2 hours 30 minutes?
Wait, let me please. I'm going to calculate. Yes. It will be. Yes, sir. We'll do 2 hours, then we plus 1.5. Because 1.5 of 1 hour, that is 30 minutes. So we'll get that 2 hours, 30 minutes. Yes. It's 2. Sir. Oh, yes, 2 hours, 30 minutes. So we said it, and he said, "I wish you." And it looked as if that we got it wrong. It's afraid that they said that, "Hey, let me calculate it again." What was the answer?
It's 2 hours 30 minutes. I'll see if you are confident.
Sir, I favor God. Faith got it. Faith got it. Faith got it. Favor.
So can you see that it actually has the number of hours reduced, right? 2 hours 30 less than 5 hours. 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 2 hours 30 less than All right, go ahead and write. That's it for today. I'll send you for homework to do later. Please make sure that you
Okay,
don't say any of them, any of the questions. It will still be on
okay, sir.
proportion.
Sir, is
Yes,
faith,
please.
which of us are you going to withdraw? Is it faith or
You people got answer correct this time, so I'll not withdraw it again.
yes? Hey, it's favor that good things now. At least it's still on me. Yes, withdraw duty for us. And the mathematician and the mathematicians. We switch this time. Fit of you. Okay. We're going to hide our face. No, we are not going to switch. We now be switching as a user. Okay. Yep.
Is it all writing?
Yes.
Eh? You are done writing.
So people is still writing. I'm almost done. I'm in 5 equals to
Wait,
2.
wait, did you draw that diagram I drew there?
Yes, sir.
I did.
You meant this one, like the arrow. Oh.
Okay, go ahead. I'll wait.
Don't draw nonsense. You cannot draw nonsense. Staffing is done. So, Staffing is do. Oh, yeah. People stop.
Okay, so two of you are done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think that's it for today. Let's I'll
Staffing
send you
wants to
homework.
know the last question.
Which question again?
Oh, yeah, wait. Use it. Let me use it. Sir, favor said that we
Which
should.
favor?
Favor said that we should say where is faith or favor. Which me where which one is favor? Okay, I'm just cheating.
Okay.
Can you remember?
Favor is on my. Oh, okay, no, let me say not on my own right. Favor is on the left, while faith is on the right.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
True.
I got it.
Is it not you that sent yourself? I said that she was supposed to say no. My dear Lord, let's swim in the name of Jesus.
All right now. So see you guys on Friday. Friday will be our last
You should say bye.
weekly. We will resume our Saturday class after Friday, okay?
Yes, sir.
So you guys are resuming school next week, Monday, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. All right, so just look out for your homework. I'll send your mom the homework, so you people should just do it before Friday's class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Enjoy the rest of your day
Yeah.
and say me well to Treasure. Bye.
Okay, sir.